guys. I'm going to play fishing food again. I haven't got played it in a while. Oh, but I'm going to play it. Yeah.
Keep him in his flowers.
We got a baby elf.
Baby flower.
Oh. What are you guys laughing at?
You're doing an anthem stuff or whatever.
Awesome. Don't mind keep the music in the back. It's my sister.
This one's my favorite. It says to all
Wait, what are we watching? Oh.
Oh yeah, we're also watching Fear Factor. Oh yeah.
It's a radio.
Yeah, I don't know what else to say. So let's keep on fishing.
Behind the body.
I'm asking is for you guys to like and subscribe me because we have been working hard on the other ones, on the shorts and stuff. You guys watch. I hope you guys enjoyed them. Yeah. Sorry that I haven't been posting more. I've been busy with school. Oh, I missed it. See you next time. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Bye.